Hello everyone! Today I'll be sharing with you a DIY transformation, turning an old living room into a phenomenal space. Number 1. Prepare for transformation. Before starting the transformation, prepare the space by clearing clutter, remove any unnecessary items, furniture, or decorations, cleaning the space, dust, vacuum, and mop the floors to create a clean canvas. Assessing the room's condition. Identify any areas that need repair, such as holes in the walls or broken light fixtures. Number 2. Paint and refresh. Give the room a fresh new look with painting the walls. Choose a bold new color to create a statement look. Updating the trim. Paint or replace the trim to match the new wall color. Refinishing furniture. Update old furniture with a fresh coat of paint or light stain. Number 3. Lighting makeover. Transform the room's ambience with new light fixtures. Install modern and stylish light fixtures such as pendant light or table lamps. String lights. Add a cozy touch with string lights or fairy lights. Layered lighting. Use a combination of overhead, table, and floor lamps to create layered lighting. Number 4. Textile revamp. Update the room's textiles with new throw pillows and blankets. Choose bold and colorful patterns to add a visual interest. Rug refresh. Update the room's rug with a new stylish design. Upholstery update. Reupholster old furniture with fresh new fabric. Number 5. Decorative touches. Add the final touches with wall decor. Hang new artwork, mirrors, or shelves to add visual interest. Decorative accents. Add decorative accents such as vases, candles, or decorative boxes. Plants and greenery. Bring in plants and greenery to add touch of nature and freshness. Number 6. Rearrange and reimagine. Rearrange the room's layout to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. Consider creating conversation areas. Arrange furniture to create a cozy conversation area. Using negative space. Leave some negative space to create a sense of calm and visual breathing room. Add a statement piece. Choose a statement piece such as a bold colored sofa or a unique coffee table to anchor the room. Number 7. Final touches. Once you've completed the transformation, add the final touches with technology integration. Incorporate technology such as smart lighting or sound system to enhance the room's functionality. Personal touches. Add personal touches such as family photos or heirlooms to make the space truly yours. Final inspection. Walk through the room and make any final adjustments to ensure the space is perfect. That's it. Stay tuned for next video. Like and subscribe.